Hello everybody, welcome to the first ever episode of Mueller's Outdoor Adventures. Today, we're gonna have an unboxing because weather sucks outside here in Wisconsin. What's an unboxing without a dangerous tool? Alright, first out of the box we got the Damiki Baits Hydro. Now this bait is supposed to replace a tube in most situations. While the tube, the tentacles don't vibrate as much, this bait, these little things are always moving. Can't wait to hit this in Canada. Early spring, smallmouth. Next up, we got the Net Bait Pakka Slim in Sun Perch color. Now, this thing is gonna be great for craw trailers and little Texas rigs. I can't wait to use this little bait. Next up, out of the box, we got the Net Bait Mad Pakka Toledo Special. Now, this is gonna be great for Texas rigging and maybe even flipping into trees and cover in the spring and summer, anywhere where you can find crawfish. I'm gonna be using this thing. That's in kind of like a blue and green pumpkin mix. Oh, I've been excited for this. Next up, we got the Livingston Lures Pro Sizzle Walking Bait. This thing is going to catch a lot of fish before I get done with it. Got the rattles and the Livingston noise that it makes, this bait fish noise, is going to be an amazing walking bait, and I'm really excited. It just lit up. It just lit up. I didn't know it lit up. Added bonus. Good job, Livingston. Next up, we got the Gambler Baits Flap Daddy in bluegrass color. Now this thing is going to be perfect for a craw trailer. Maybe even flipping into stuff. That's gonna be a good bait. I'm gonna use that a lot. Next up, out of the box, we got, hooks. We got Trokar Pro V Worm 3/0 worm hooks. I know I'm excited to use these because Laser Trokar are the best hooks in existence. Ooh. Next out of the box, we got a dual hardcore minnow jerkbait. Suspending jerkbait with a kind of orange, clear and green. I don't know if you can see the green there. This is meant to, when I go up northern Wisconsin, and I'm fishing for perch, or trying to imitate a perch, this is what I'm gonna use. Early smallmouth, muskie even will get this. I've caught muskie on the jerkbait up there. Can't wait to use it. Next out of the box, we got the Gambler, why not, in Florida 5-0 color. This is kind of like a green pumpkin with a lot of red flakes there. This thing is gonna be perfect for a flippin' trailer on flippin' jig. I'm excited to test this out. Ooh, out of the box next, we got the Yum Swerm in Tequila Sunrise, which is my all-time favorite color for a soft plastic. And it's got that eye there. This is gonna be perfect for drop shotting. Maybe even a Texas rig, super finesse Texas rig. I'm excited to use these. Ooh. Next up, we got the Kicker Fish Tail Slapper in 3.6 inches sun perch color. I'm gonna use this just with a swim bait hook, weighted, or I'm gonna put this on the back of a swim jig, swim it through cover. This is gonna get the big ones. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. The Jackal Eye Shad. It's a little, kind of like a fluke, but it's gonna be perfect for like using it like a fluke and for drop shotting. 4.8 inches, watermelon pepper. I'm excited to use that. I know Jackal's a great company and they have great products. Next out of the box, we got the 3/8 ounce Booyah Bass Pop. I'm excited to use this for smallmouth in Canada and up north. So everybody knows smallmouth love poppers. Oh, these look good. Big Bite Baits Creature. Creature. In the 6-inch. I got these in the Junebug pattern, and these are gonna be great for flipping into trees and stuff, or I'm gonna love using this on a Texas rig. That's a great color for up here, because I know bass up here for some reason like purple. Can't wait to use that. Next up, we have the Dip and Glow Marker by Spike It. Chartreuse and garlic scent. Now this thing, you color it on your soft plastics and it gives them more color and more scent, and it'll help you get finicky bass. Here we go. Next up, we got the Big Bite Baits Super Shad Swim Bait. 5 inches, and I got these in kind of to try and imitate bluegill. So if you can see there, it's got the bluegill colors right there. 5 inches. Seems like a really good swim bait, and it has a flap to get the hook through. I'm excited to use these. All right, next up, we got the Evolve RX Lures. This is the Compact Craw. And this is in gill oil. Ooh, funky smell. Now that right there is gonna be great. Little Texas rig flipping into stuff. Maybe on the back of a craw or a jig trailer. Use it as a jig trailer. Drop shot, that'll be good also. I'm excited to use these. Next out of the box, we got 30-pound Seaguar Smackdown braid. Now, after watching a lot of fishing stuff, A lot of people have said this is the best braid on the market. So when it went on sale at Tackle Warehouse, I had to get it for my new Daiwa reel that I got. 30 pound, 150 yard. Can't wait to use it. Next up, we got the Biwa Divinator Swim Bait Hybrid 3/4 ounce. This thing is gonna be great when spinnerbaits are supposed to work but might not be. And this will imitate the minnow or something flashing in the water. So big bass will come up and eat that. This probably would work on pike as well. I'm excited to use this. I know Biwa baits are usually pretty expensive, so I was glad to get that. Next up, we got the classic Yum tube. This is in pumpkin, pepper, and green flake. I mean, what can't you say about the tube? They're one of the most versatile baits on the market for smallmouth as well as largemouth. The smallmouth seem to love them even more. Can't wait to use them. Next up, we got Voss Weights Straight Finesse Drop Shot in 1/8 ounce. I need to stock up on drop shot weights, so I also got I got other Voss weights, but I can't find them. But next up, we got Eagle Claw Trocar swim bait hooks, 4/0. With all the swim baits I got, I had to get a couple of hooks. We got Eagle Claw Laser Sharp 3/16 ounce swim bait hooks, 4/0. We got tube hooks for all the tubes I got. 5 3/0. And then I'm excited for these Trocar Helix drop shot weights. These things have loops on either side, so it's easier to tie like a slip knot, or you don't have to tie a Palomar that's connected to the line so it doesn't twist as much, or an improved clinch knot. So you can do that and then tie onto here your weight. I got those in size 2. Next up, Lucky Craft RTO Series 2.5 square bill pumpkin seed. I'm going to be throwing this a lot because around here there is a lot of bluegill. Subtle rattle, gonna be an amazing bait. All right. Last thing out of the box, and there's the other Voss weights, is the Yum Houdini Shad. These are also another fluke type of bait. And you can put these on the back of spinner baits or buzz baits or fish them weightless, and they catch fish. So, along with that, I got a Hedden t-shirt. Cotton t-shirt, with a nice bass on it. Can't wait to wear this shirt. And also, Tackle Warehouse hooked us up with a free t-shirt and a free sticker. That's all for this video, guys. Hit the subscribe and like button. See you later.